Yeah, so my name is Balázs Horváth, I'm the founder of TINK in the city. We heard a lot today about fragmentation, but why fragmentation matters is not just a problem that we are experiencing by our own. It's a problem that the economy is experiencing, and it's a problem that we need to solve to be in a better position in the playing field of startups, innovation, ecosystem. Right now, Hungary has this bottleneck, and we have a solution that I will present you today that we are working in the last 6 years inside TINK in the city and inside the ecosystem. The fragmentation shows up across different sectors. This is what we encountered, this is what we explored in the last 6 years. What this creates? This creates all sorts of problems in the ecosystem. Isolated efforts, low trust, limited knowledge, weak coordination. This is really, really important that we identify the actors, we identify the critical points. And now, why this matters. Fragmentation is not just inefficient, it's expensive for the economy, and it's expensive for the startups and the key stakeholders as well. When an ecosystem do not connect, and founders move slower, opportunities are missed, policy private partnership do not follow. This is what we experienced the last 6 years, why we built TINK in the city, why we built technological side, and we built communities around these problems. And this is the number, so 30,000 high-value jobs and 1.3 billion left on the table because collaboration is a problem in the Hungarian ecosystem. This is not what we are saying, this is the studies. This is a McKinsey study actually that shows that this is a real problem for the economy. We need to solve it, we need to solve it fast. And the solution, what we came up with is TINK. It's a new innovation collaboration hub called Transformation Innovation Kitchen. Refers back to the old and first innovation hub, the Hungary Kitchen Budapest. Maybe you are familiar with that. And we are activating and connecting startup players, corporates, academia, public sector, to turn fragmentation into collaboration, to coordinated ecosystem action, because this is really important. Without coordinated action, there is no collaboration. Without collaboration, there is no united ecosystem. Then we have fragmentation. And we are focusing on culture, communication, and community. This is what we did in the last 6 years, and how we do this, from fragmentation to flow. We try to speak with all the stakeholders in the ecosystem. We are doing it regularly, week by week. We know the issues, we know the problems, and as I already, this is a slide again, which I will show you, why us? Because in the last 6 years, we built this on our own. We have the drive, we have the knowledge, we have you, our partners, but of course we need to do it systematically in a more organized way. And this is where TINK could come in, which could be a hub, like a physical hub as well, and also like a digital space for us who are building an ecosystem. And we have, of course, like local capability and a global reach, because, of course, we are, for example, working with WSA, which is World Summit Awards, for example, with the sustainability startups. We have GSEA, the Student Entrepreneur Board. We have many more initiatives who we are involved with, and we are like bridge builders. And the vision is, together with you, we need to build a more connected and more collaborative ecosystem. Thank you.